Children, welcome back. This is your EBS online class. I am Asha Santosh, your EBS teacher. Hope all are fine. We have finished our two lessons, lesson 2 and 3. Now we are going to start a new lesson, lesson number 4, Save the Environment. Let's start with an activity. Okay, are you ready? Then take your textbook, open it and take page number 21.
Get started. Use the numbered letters in the words given to fill up the blank boxes. Write each numbered letter in the box with the matching numbers. Can you see the box with number 1?
Which letter is written inside it?
Yes, E. Second box have N. Then V, I, R, O, N, M, E, N and T.
So children, what was your answer? Yes, the environment. What is mean by environment? Environment refers to the surrounding which we live. What all things you can see in your surroundings? You can see different varieties of plants, animals, buildings, vehicles, etc. These all are the parts of our environment. Everything which surrounds us forms a part of our environment. Okay. So in this environment, all living and non-living things are included. What is meant by living things? Living things means the things which have life.
These are some examples for living things.
And then what about non-living things? The things which do not have life.
These are some examples for non-living things.
Everything in the environment are interconnected. One get destroyed, it will affect others also. They depend each other. What is meant by interconnected? They are depending each other. For example, we human beings or the other animals, we depend plants for our food. We have to depend either plants or other animals for our food, isn't it? What else plants will do for us? Plants make the air clean. How the plants make the air clean? As we discussed in our previous lesson, plants absorb carbon dioxide, that is the toxic gas, and release oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means the preparation of food in plants. So, the oxygen is a very essential gas for us for breathing, isn't it? So, likewise, the plants make the air clean. Then what else? The roots of the plant hold the soil together and it will prevent the soil erosion. But at the same time, plants need the soil for their food. And it will depend the air for carbon dioxide to prepare their food. So, animals depend plants for their food and oxygen. In return, plants depend animals for carbon dioxide. So, everything in the environment are interconnected, depend each other. Okay. Let us read the lesson 4, Saving the Environment. The word environment refers to the surroundings in which we live. Everything that surrounds us forms part of our environment. It includes landforms, trees, animals and birds, people, buildings, vehicles and factories. We get all the things necessary for life from the environment. A good environment is important if we want to lead a healthy and comfortable life. The environment includes both natural features and human-made things. Natural features include landforms, forest, and animals. Human-made features include houses, bridges, vehicles, roads, and parks. There are both living and non-living things in our environment. Soil, water, sunlight, air, and so on are non-living things as they do not have life. Animals, plants, insects, and birds are living things. Humans depend on both living and non-living things present in the environment. Plants are the main source of food for both animals and humans. Trees help keep the air clean while their roots hold the soil together. Trees also help bring rain. But most plants and trees need soil, sunlight, water and air to grow. Thus, everything in the environment is interconnected. That is why it is important to take care of every part of our environment. If one part is disturbed or damaged, the other parts also get affected.
Children, here you have some examples for landforms. I will read one by one. Island, lake, ocean, desert, waterfall, river, hills, mountains, volcano, glacier, canyon, and plains. So children, what is meant by natural features? The things which already present in the nature. For example, landforms, plants, animals, etc. Then what about human-made features? The things made by human beings. For example, houses, bridges, vehicles, roads, parks, etc.
We should not destroy anything from our environment. If we destroy anything from our environment, it will affect others. So we have to save our environment. Okay. Today we have discussed about our environment. Hope all of you understood the importance of our environment. Let us conclude today's session. You have to read your textbook every day and study the notes. Which all notes you have to study, I will mention below. Just follow it. Children, we'll see you in our next class. Until then, take care and goodbye.